Dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the fourth chapter, that is nervous system. Okay, in that we studied the human nervous system, okay, the parts of the nervous system, that is the brain, spinal cord, nerves, okay, and in that brain again we studied the main three parts of the brain, that is the cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Okay, and we learnt about spinal cord, and we learnt the nerves and the types of it, the nerves, okay, sensory nerves, motor nerves, then a mixed nerves. Okay, these we studied, and one more we have learnt the one more concept, that is a reflex action. Yes, what do you mean by the reflex action? Nothing but when we will give the sudden quick responses without thinking, we will give a quick response. For that we are calling a reflex action. Okay, today in this video class we are moving for the further part of this chapter, that is a sense of organs. Okay, sense organs, you all know what you mean by sense organs. Okay, we are having total 5 sense of organs. Okay, the sense organs in a human body are eyes, okay, through which we are seeing, okay, ears, okay, through the ears we are hearing the sounds, whatever the surroundings in our environment, whatever the sound will occurs, we are hearing through the ears here. Okay, through the eyes we are seeing the whole world. Okay, nose, from the nose we are, what we are doing, we are smelling the things. Okay, then tongue is also one of the sense of organ which will taste our food. Okay, which consists of the taste buds. And even skin is, okay, why skin is present? To feel the things, to feel the objects, the skin is present. Okay, these are the main and important and essential sense organs for a human body. Remember these 5 sense of organs. Today in this class we will study in detail one by one. Okay, see, first we will study about eyes and ears. See, eyes, then what is eyes? You can see the parts of an eye here, dear students. Okay, eyes are present in the eye sockets of our skull. Okay, where the eyes are present, it is present in the eye sockets of our skull. Yes, skull is made up of a bony structure. Yes, you all know skull is made up of a bony structure which will cover our head part. Even eye also will cover it in the skull only. Okay, it is present in the sockets of our skull. Okay, it will help us to see the things around us, world. Okay, they work like a cameras and send moving images to the brain. Okay, see, how they are working. Eyes are working like a cameras. Okay, what they will do, they will see the whatever in our surrounding, whatever it is happening, it will see and it will send the information to the brain here. Okay, so the brain, what it will do, it will in return, it will tell us what we have seen. Okay, the brain will tell to us whatever we have seen, it will tell for us. Okay, who is telling here? The brain is telling for us whatever the things we have seen. Okay, eyes are covered with a flap like eyelids. Okay, how the eyes are covered with what? It is a flap like eyelids. We are having eyelids. These, what is the function of these eyelids? Eyelids will protect the eyes from the foreign matter, like such as the dust, dirt and whatever the dust or dust particles are there. Okay, debris is there. This it will protect from those dust particles here. That is eyelids. What is the function of the eyelids, dear students? It will protect us from the dust and dirt. Okay, see here, and it will protect from the damage to the eyes also. Okay, the eyelashes present on the eyelids and the eyebrows protect the eyes from the dust. Okay, see here, see what it will do. Even these eyelashes, yes, we are all having, we are blinking the eyes through the eyelashes only. Okay, they are present on the eyelids, and the eyebrows protect the eyes from the dust. Even these eyebrows we are having on the upside of the eyes, we are having our eyebrows, they will protect us from the dust. Okay, we can see an object when light bounces off the object and enters the eye through a clear and a transparent area called a cornea. Yes, here we are having a cornea. Yes, okay, what it will do, the light will bounce off the object. Yes, the light will come and it will bounce the object. Okay, that light will be having a light rays, it will bounce. Okay, and we are seeing the objects here, clear transparent area called cornea. Here it is, they have given the this one transparent, this is the cornea part it is. Okay, behind the cornea is the iris. Behind this only we are having the iris part. This is the parts of a eye. Here I am explaining about the parts of an eye. Okay, see, first we are having a cornea. What it is? Cornea is it is a clear transparent area. Okay, it is a clear transparent area called the cornea. Next we are having a iris. Okay, iris is present behind the cornea. It is present behind the cornea. Okay, it is the flat, colored and ring shaped membrane with an adjustable circular opening called a pupil. Okay, see what this one is. It is a pupil is a ring shaped. It is, see, you can observe this one. Okay, this black dot, that is the pupil we are calling here. Okay, with an adjustable circular opening it is in a circular in a shape. Okay, so we are calling it as a pupil. It is present where? It is present in the center, it is present. The pupil, which looks like a black spot, is actually an opening in the iris and it lets light into the lights into the eye. What this iris will do? It is a black spot. It is whatever we are having black spot in our eye, no, for that we are calling here pupil we are calling. Okay, and what it will do? It will opening in the iris. Okay, it is opening of the iris. It is, and that lets light into the eye, and it will what it will do? It will make a light here to see. Okay, muscles in the iris make a pupil bigger or a smaller. Okay, whatever the muscles are present in the iris, no, they will make the pupil bigger or a smaller to let in the light depending on the brightness outside. Okay, when it is dark outside, the pupils become bigger. See, whenever dark is there outside, then pupils will become bigger to let in more light. Okay, when there is a bright sunlight, when we are having a bright sunlight, the pupil become a smaller to let in a less light. Okay, behind the pupil what is present is a clear lens we are having. Here you can see this one is a clear lens. It is behind the pupil we are having a clear lens. The lens focuses the picture on the retina. Whatever the picture we are seeing, no, whatever the objects we are seeing, no, that lens will focus the picture on retina. It will make to fall on this retina. There are tiny nerves on the retina. See, some tiny nerves are present on the retina. Okay, see, on the retina we are having some spiny nerves. You can observe here. Okay, this is the nerves we call. For this one we are calling a tiny nerves on the retina. These nerves send a message to a bigger nerve called a optic nerve. This is a bigger nerve, that is a optic nerve. This whatever the messages, no, are there, no, it will pass to the bigger nerve, that is the optic nerve. Then optic nerve carries message to the brain. This optic nerve will carry it will pass the message to the brain. It will pass. The brain understand and tells what you have seen. See, the brain then what it will do? It will understand and it will tell us what we have observed, what we have seen, it will tell us. Okay, so this is the function of the eyes, how it works. Then see, what are the care we have to take for the eyes that they have given here. Okay, see, you can observe care of eyes. When you read, face towards the source of a light. See, you should not sit back to the light. Okay, whenever you are reading, okay, whenever you are studying, you have to face towards the source of a light. Where the light is present, no, you have to face and sit that side. Okay, one more thing, then sit upright while reading. Okay, you have to sit upright while reading. Never read a book while laying down. You should not lay down and read the books. You have to sit straight and you have to read. They are telling here. Okay, do not sit too close to the televisions while watching TV. See, whenever you are watching the TV, you should not sit very close to the TV because it will make harm to our eyes. Our eyes will become harmful. Okay, Do not watch too much of a television and do not play on a computers or a tablets for a long hours. See, we should not use or we should not play more. They are telling here. Yes, dear students, you have to remember this point, which is very important for you. You should not watch a more television and you should not play more games on a computers or it may be tablets. Okay, why? Because it will affect our eyes. Okay, you may get even a specs or some else. Okay, so you should not watch more TV or you should not play on a computers or tablets. Okay, wash your eyes with a clean water. Okay, see, you have to wash your eyes daily with a clean water. Never use a someone else's handkerchief to clean your eyes. See, you should not use any other's handkerchief. Why? Because it will cause the infections. Okay, because some bacteria or some germs will be present, so we should not use any other's handkerchief. It will give infection even to your eyes also. So these are the care that we have to take for our eyes. Follow these all the rules, dear students. Next we will see about the next one, that is a sense of organ, which is very important, that is the ear. Yes, everybody have a 2 ears. Okay, what is the function of these ears? The function of this ear is we are hearing the sound. Whatever in our surrounding, the sounds will come that we are hearing through the ears. Okay, we use our ears to hear and identify the different sounds. See, what is the function of our ear? It will hear and identify the different sounds. Okay, we are hearing in our day to day life, we are hearing a different kinds of sounds. That is what the our ears will identify that sounds. The ears has three parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. See, ear is having a mainly three parts. That is the outer ear, first one, next one is the middle ear and the third one is the inner ear. Okay, see, ears also help in maintaining balance of our body. See, what is the function of the ears? Even these ears also, it will help in maintaining to balance our body. Ears will help. Okay, sound waves. See, sound waves travel into the ear canal and reach the eardrum. For how the sound waves will, first the sound, whatever we are hearing the sound, that sound waves will travel into the ear. Okay, first it will travel into the ear canal. Okay, it will travel into the ear canal. Here it is, ear canal is present here. You can observe in this image here. This is the ear canal. Whatever we are hearing the sound waves, that it will travel here into the ear canal. Okay, and reach the eardrum. Then it will reach to this eardrum. Here we are having this eardrum. Okay, from here we are hearing the sound. First it will come to the ear canal, then it will reach to the eardrum. You can observe this one, eardrum here. Okay, this is the eardrum. Okay, the eardrum passes the sound waves in the form of a vibration through the middle ear into the inner ear. First this eardrum, then it will pass the that sound to the sound waves to the next part, that is the middle ear, then it will pass to the inner ear. Okay, this is the diagram of the human ear, dear students. You can observe we are having a different kinds of parts here: pinna, ear canal, eardrum, incus, then stapes, then what we are having? We are having a malleus, and one more is a cochlea we are having here. This is the parts of the ear. Okay, you see, inside the ear there are thousands of tiny hairs. Okay, inside our hairs, inside our ear, we are having a small tiny hairs we are having. Okay, what is the function of these tiny hairs? Then these tiny hairs, what they will do, they will change the vibration into electrical signals. These tiny hairs, which are present, which are the thousands of tiny hairs are present in our ear. Okay, these tiny hairs will, what they will change the vibrations. Whatever vibration, sound waves vibrations are there, vibrations are there, it will change into electric signals that are sent to the brain through the hearing nerves. Okay, we are having a hearing nerve also. Through that one, it will pass the information to the brain. The brain then tells that you are hearing sound and what that sound is. Then what the brain will reply to us? It will tell that whichever sound we are hearing, no, that it will tell us that which sound we are hearing, that it will tell here. Then what are the care we have to take for the ears? See, do not clean ears with a sharp object. See, you should not use a sharp object for to clean the ears. We have to use a cotton. Yes, you are known a birds we have to use to clean the ears. We have to use the cotton buds. Listen to music on a low volume. If you want to listen the music, it should be medium, okay, low volume. If you hear more volume, then your ears will spoil here. Okay, overuse of earplugs can cause the harm to your ears. See, earplugs are nothing but whatever you are using in your day to day life, earphones, headphones, for that only we are calling here earplugs. We should not use more here, overuse. We should not do overuse. It may harm to our ears. So keep the ears clean and dry. You have to keep your ears and clean and dry. Yes, it should be clean and it should be dry. It should not be wet. You have to clean it with the cotton buds. Okay, these are the some of the cares that our ears should be taken. Okay, dear students, today in this class we learnt about the two sense of organs, that is the eyes and one more is the ears we learnt. In the next video class we will study about the remaining sense of organs, that is the nose, then the tongue, and one more skin. We will see what are the functions of that nose, then what is the function of tongue, then what care we have to take for a nose, what care we have to take for a tongue, then what is the function of the skin. That all we'll study in the next video class. Till that, watch this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Have a nice day. Thank you.